I'm going to download the files. Okay, so it comes up down here and it comes up as a zip file. That's one. I'm gonna go back and do the other one. Download files. Also, my moderators, Janice and Ayana, I'm not sure if Shell is here yet, but if you are typing your questions in the chat, they respond in all caps. So no one else is to write in all caps but the moderators. And I just want to point out too, with the download of this, it gives you an SVG option and it gives you a PNG option. The PNG option is for your print and cut projects. It is a flat image. It will not break the design down in color. It is just like a flat picture image. So you only really want to use the PNG files if you're doing like a print and cut type of project. But if you're using vinyl, you want to make sure you get the SVG file, okay? So I'm going to download that. Now this one did not download in a zip. So it downloaded the SVG file straight to the computer. And you can see here too, it has that Internet Explorer icon. So that's another way you can tell that it is a SVG, okay? So I'm going to click the zip for the other project. Y'all can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me minimize this. And so what I like to do, hold on, let me bring it back up. What I like to do is I like to create a folder on my desktop for my SVGs, so I know exactly where they are when it's time to upload. So I'm going to go to new folder, and this is just on my desktop. I have another folder that's already kind of full, so I'm starting a new one. Okay, I'll make this bigger. So in this zip folder, you have the DXF and the EPS. We won't use those in Design Space. You can use the JPEG and the PNG, and you could also use the SVG, okay? The JPEG and the PNG are similar. If you've went through the bundle videos in the very first video, I show you the difference between all three. The JPG file, it does not have a cleared out background. The PNG file has the transparent background, and then we have the SVG. So in order to get it out of this zip, what I'm going to do is grab the SVG and I'm just going to drag it to my folder on the desktop. Okay, so there it is. That's it. Just drag it out the folder to your desktop. You don't have to do all that extracting and all that extra crap.
I'm lost.
You're lost?
Yes, because I want to try to find the heat vinyl, but I don't have none of that. So I was just, so I don't have that.
You don't have any heat transfer vinyl at home?
No, I have the, if you talking about, if it's the on, if that's,
yeah, iron on. Iron on is
iron on. Yep.
Okay. Well, yeah, I have that. And
okay.
I wanted my office to get that, and you started talking and I can't catch up. So
okay, well, I was just showing how to extract the SVG folder out of the zip files when you purchase. I show you how to extract it out and pull it onto your desktop. Okay, so you have the replay. You can go back and watch, or I can do it again at the end if anybody wants me to redo it. No problem at all. Yes. Yes. Okay, so there we have it. The SVG is now on my desktop. Okay, y'all good?
Oh, hello. I'm sorry.
All right, and one more thing. If for whatever reason, if you don't have any heat transfer vinyl, you can do it in an adhesive project. The only difference is going to be the settings on your Cricut. That's it. All the motions is the same. Everything that we're going to do in Design Space is the same except for your material setting, and we can look at that when we get there. All right. So now I am at my canvas, right, in Design Space. So we're going to upload both SVGs to Design Space. So I'm on my canvas, go to upload image, browse, and I'm going to go to desktop, and I made an SVG2 folder, right? Open. And then there's the SVG that I took out of the zip and put in that folder, right? Open. What happened?
I don't know.
Let me try that again. I know I clicked open, it should have pulled in.
Right.
Desktop, SVG2, right? That's my SVG2 folder. Open the folder and boom, there we go.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, so there's your SVG. And now I'm just going to click upload. You can change the name here if you want to, but I'm not. I'm just going to click upload. All right, so there's my first one. Let's go ahead and open the second. And I think that one's just on my desktop or on my downloads. So you're just pulling the SVG in from wherever you have it on your computer. Upload. All right.